YouTube family. What is good with everyone out there today, man? It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all with a special video, man. Today your boy has a major announcement, man. Y'all got a little hint. Y'all seen the title and the thumbnail, so y'all already know what the vibes is. But hey, man, your boy is honored, man, to be a part of what I am a part of right now. I'm about to get into it with y'all, man. If this is y'all first time stopping through, checking out any of the family's content, go ahead and join the family, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button. We are on the road to 50K, and we have been doing numbers over here, man. I truly appreciate each and every one that is a new member to the fam, and always a big shout out to the OGs of the fam, man, because hey, none of this will be possible without y'all, man. So hey, I'm truly grateful and thankful for everything that y'all do to support the fam, man. But yes, man, hey, we got some major news today, man. So hey, before we get into it, hit that like button, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, and we about to jump right into it, man. So hey, your boy has been out here grinding. Y'all have been out here supporting and grinding with your boy, man. So hey, things have come to the table, and your boy is highly blessed and honored to say that I am a part of the City Gear Hibbett Sports Influencer Program, man. So hey, truly a blessing, man. Big shout out to Hibbett Sports, because as you guys know, Hibbett Sports and City Gear, they are one, man. So big shout out to them for blessing me with this opportunity. It is truly a blessing, man. As you guys know, that's been rocking out with your boy, I did do a giveaway with City Gear and a couple other things back, you know, about a month or two, probably about 2 or 3 months ago. And hey, everything worked out good, man. So I truly appreciate them for looking out for the fam and being a part of the movement that we have going on right now, man. So hey, we ain't gonna stop here, man. We gonna rock out with it, man. But on the topic of City Gear, they are having something dope for the holidays. They have something that is called 12 days of Christmas, and yes, man, it will be 12 days of specials, man. So hey, if you go ahead and check them out one day, if you go to one of their stores and you don't find something one day, go back another day. It's 12 days, man. So they got 12 days of specials going on. So make sure y'all go ahead and check out one of your local stores, and hey, get some gifts for the fam, or you can grab something for yourself, man. It's just a whole bunch. It's a whole bunch going on, man. So hey, make sure you stop by, check them out. Hey, y'all will not be disappointed. Y'all can download the Hibbett Sports City Gear app and also check out some things that they have online over there, man. Trust me, do not sleep on that, because hey, 12 days of deals, man. You are bound to find something. For, like I said, you can get a gift. Holiday season is here, or you can grab something for yourself, man. It's always good to treat yourself every now and then, man. So hey, without any further ado, man, they did send your boy over some goodies, man. So we are about to jump right into that and see what they sent over your boy, man. Let's get it. Hey, appreciate that, City Gear. Hey, clutch, appreciate that, man. But yes, dang, we got some packages right here, man. As you can see, your boy has a box and I have a package right here, man. So what we gonna do is we gonna start with the smaller package real quick, and then we gonna jump into the box, man. So let's check out what they sent your boy in this here package, man. Yeah, let's see what they sent your boy. It's pretty tight. Oh, I done ripped something that's in the, feels like a sweatpants or, hold on, what this is, hold on. Oh, I'm dropping stuff, hold on. Dropping stuff, okay, what is this? This is, okay, a mask, okay. Hey, they sent your boy a mask, and let me let you guys know that everything that you see me unboxing can be found over at City Gear's website. So make sure you check them out, as well as it'll be located in store, man. So anything that you see, y'all can get it over there at City Gear or Hibbett Sports. But they sent me over this face mask, and this is clutch right now, because as you guys know, we are going through a pandemic and we do need the masks to stay safe, man. So hey, wear your mask. Masks always come in handy, so your boy will definitely be rocking that mask. What else is in this package they sent your boy? We got a paper in here. This is That's a receipt. Receipts are always good, man. But what we got here, man? Hold on. Wait a minute. It looks like we got a hoodie. They sent your boy a hoodie. Oh nah, this is fire. This is fire. Bang! They sent your boy over a Jumpman. Hold on. If they sent this, it would, it only could be one thing that they sent me else to go with this right here, man. Do y'all see what's going on? Hold on, let me open this up real quick. Oh man, they got plastic here in the back. But hold on. Do y'all see this hoodie right here, man? This is fire, man. This, like I said, as well, can be found in your local City Gear store, and y'all better act fast, man, because hey, with 12 days of Christmas coming up, you know that people are gonna be checking out those deals and they gonna be grabbing anything they see like this, because hey, these shoes are releasing, so you know all the gear, the merch to it is gonna get sold fast. So jump on this. This is hard, man. You got an oversized what does that say, Jordan Jumpman on the back in that silver. Hey man, hold on, we're about to open this other box real quick, man. But before I do that, let me throw this on real quick. This is looking kind of cozy, so give me 1 second, y'all. Hey man, they done brought out your boy. Hoodie J is in the building. Hoodie J is in the building, man. Hey, bro, this is fire. This is a dope hoodie, man. But hey, nice and cozy, man. But let me go ahead and continue. What's going on, y'all, man? Like I said, let me introduce myself. It is your boy Hoodie J, ending off the video with y'all, man. But let's check out what else they sent your boy, man. Woo, brr. It's getting a little cold in here. Man. But hey, big shout out to them again, man. As you can see, I was telling y'all that Hibbett Sports and City Gear are one, man. So make sure y'all check them both out. Download the Hibbett Sports / City Gear app, man, and do not sleep on those deals. But where's my box cutter? Let me go ahead and pop this open, man, real quick and see what they sent your boy. Hopefully it's something to go with this hoodie, man. I'm hoping that it's something to go with this hoodie, man. But see, maybe it's some jogging. It looks like it's a shoebox, but who knows? It's kind of big to be a shoebox, as y'all can see. But we'll see, man. We'll see what they sent. Alright, so having technical difficulties. This is some tape. Alright, so popping it open. Hold on, what we got? Oh, it's getting cold in here. Okay, we got some bubble wrap, and drum roll, please. And y'all look, check out the security of the box, man. So whenever y'all order from them, man, y'all are getting a secured box, man. This box is in perfect condition because of the way that they shipped it. But let me slide this out real quick, man. Ooh, bang! They sent you a big shout out to them for blessing me with these, man. Look, if y'all have not checked out my review, my GS review on these, your boy was saying that these weren't a shoe that I would cop because they are too similar to my Space Jams or my 72 and 10s, you know. But for it to be sent to me, oh man, I would gladly rock it, man. So I'm truly grateful to them sending your boy these shoes, man, because I wasn't gonna pick them up myself, but hey, I'm glad that they have them. So I was thinking I was gonna miss out the 11 for this year, but it somehow made its way to me, man. But yes, man, we do get this 25th anniversary box, as you can see, man. Very, very dope box. The GS box does not come like this. I do think that this is going to be a one-time thing. They just gave us a special box because of the 25th anniversary, man. The size tag on this one reads Air Jordan 11 Retro, as you can see, and size 9. They blessed your boy with his size. Shout out to them again. But the color blocking is black, multicolor, man, and they do retail for $220. At the time of you guys seeing this video, I know as far as their raffles, because they do a raffle system over there, they probably already selected the winners, man. But hey, there's still hope. At 10 o'clock Eastern time, I'm not too sure what the Central and you know, the other time is, but I know Eastern time, if y'all want to do the math on that, it's 10 o'clock Eastern time. They will have these on their website, so check out their website. Try to get a pair if you want these, man. But yo, man, opening up the box, it does open up from one end, and we do have a quality control sticker right there opening up that black part. And as we can see glancing in there, we do got a white and green sticker right there in the back. But opening up the other side, you just pull this back, and then voila, man, we do got that white Jordan paper with those silver Jumpmans on it, and it does read, what does that say, 1995 2020, man. So that is 25 years ago, 1995, and we do get a 25th anniversary shoe, which is bang, the Air Jordan 11 25th anniversaries, aka Jubilees, man.
Making movies, swab it out, scene, gon' shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan ones cost more than your Gucci. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no Truey. It be bangers only, I'm reviewing. Woo!
Bang! Yes, man. They sent your boy the Air Jordan 11 Jubilees, or 25th anniversary joints, man. These are very clean in my opinion. I just thought that they were a little too similar to other Jordans I already have, man. But hey, this is a shoe that I will put wears on, because like I said, man, it's a versatile shoe that you can rock with almost anything, man. Just black, white, and silver, you can rock that with anything, man. We got that high cut patent leather on this one, man. One thing different that this pair has that the GS didn't have is those widow's peaks right there. As you can see, I see we got one there, we got one right there in the front, and do we got one on this side? Yes, we got one right there in the back, as you can see right there, man. So you got your 3 widow's peaks on this one, and then we do have that Jordan written right down, those lace holders on the side, same thing as the GS, man. Everything is pretty much identical. I do know that in my GS review, somebody did mention that on the inside you do got a, I don't know if it could pick up, let me try to turn up some of the light real quick, but on the inside of here you do got 25 for your 25th anniversary. So as you can see in there, barely can see it, man. That's not a 2-3 though. That is not a 2-3 in there. That's a 2-5 and a jump, man. So let me turn back down this light before it shines y'all to death, you know what I'm saying? But yes, man, truly a blessing for them to send your boy over this dope hoodie, as you can see, man. Dope hoodie, as well as the Air Jordan 11 Jubilees, man. Hey, honored. It's a blessing to be a part of the City Gear influencer program, man. Thank you guys for that, because it wouldn't be possible without any of you guys. So I truly appreciate y'all for pushing me to grind and hit y'all with the videos that I hit y'all with, man. So hey, stay tuned. We just gonna go up from here, man. And yeah, man, we gonna throw these on feet real quick, real shortly. I'm probably gonna hit y'all with a more in-depth review and on feet, well, not a review, but on feet. It's gonna be a more of an in-depth on feet in another video, because this video is already long as it is. But I do not want to leave without putting them on feet at least, man. So I'm gonna leave out with that, and make sure you guys take advantage of the 12 days of Christmas sale that City Gear is having, man. Do not sleep on that. You know, hey, get your Christmas gifts, grab a gift for yourself, man, and hey, y'all won't be disappointed. But thank y'all again, man. Y'all stay blessed. Big shout out to Hibbett Sports. Big shout out to City Gear again. And your boy JayTheSneakerGuy checking out with the Air Jordan 11 Retro 25th anniversary or Jubilees, man. So till my next one, man, y'all stay blessed. I'm gone. Peace.
fingers, I'm popping now. Jay on the roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name is